Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your GPU model and current driver version so you know what to install. Open Device Manager or run dxdiag, then jot the driver version and Windows build. Once done, close Cs2, Steam, and any overlays. They can lock files during installation. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and create a restore point. This gives you a quick rollback if the new driver misbehaves. Now you're ready to get the correct driver installer. Go to your GPU maker's download page and pick the latest WHQL driver that matches your GPU and Windows build. Download the installer and run it as administrator. Choose the custom or advanced option and select Perform Clean, Install to remove old driver remnants. Follow the installer prompts without interrupting. Installation may take several minutes and show multiple progress stages. When it finishes, reboot immediately to let Windows finalize driver integration, because an uncompleted reboot can leave CS2 unable to detect the updated driver. After reboot, validate the update. Launch CS2 and check performance, frame pacing, and the driver overlay or control panel to confirm the new version. If problems occur, crashes, black screen, or worse, open Device Manager and roll back the driver as a quick fix. For persistent conflicts, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove all traces, then reinstall the correct WHQL driver. If issues continue, test with a clean Windows user profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.